Hello children. Today in English 1 we are going to start lesson number 17, a poem, Curiosity. Kids, if you are interested in something and if you want to know more about it, then it means that you are curious. You are eager to know about it. You have a desire to know about it. So children, let's start reciting the poem Curiosity. I'll read the first stanza. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me, please, everything. Children, in this stanza, the little girl in the poem wants to know everything. She's asking what makes it winter and then spring. That means, how is it possible that after winter, then it will be spring? Spring is a spring is a season which comes before summer. Then she says, which are children butterflies? She wants to know about children butterflies. That means, which are the baby butterflies? Children, you already know that butterflies are very small, delicate creatures. And here this little girl wants to know which are the baby butterflies. Further, she says, why do people keep winking their eyes? We open and shut our eyes. This little girl wants to know why people keep winking their eyes. Then she says, where do birds sleep? Children, we all know that birds sleep in their nest, but still this little girl is curious to know about what is the sleeping place of birds. Then she asks, do bees like to sting? Children, you all have learnt in lesson number 8, a honeybee speaks. There we have seen that bees don't like to sting. They don't like to bite, only if someone comes near the honeycomb to disturb it. Otherwise, they don't like to bite or sting. Then she says, tell me, please, everything. She wants to know everything. What is the reason behind this? The next stanza, I'll recite the stanza. Tell me, I want to know what makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow. Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits wobble their noses? Just from habits? Where does the wind, when it goes away, go? Tell me, or don't even grown-ups know? Now here in the second stanza, the girl is asking how the leaves grow in the shapes they grow. Children, you all have observed there are so many kinds of leaves, all of different shapes and sizes. This little girl wants to know how the leaves grow in the shapes they are having. Then she asks, why do goldfish keep chewing? All those who have fish tank at home or in the aquarium, you all must have seen the goldfish keep chewing on. The mouth is moving on continuously. This little girl wants to know why the goldfish keep chewing. And then rabbits wobble their noses. They move their noses. Wobble means twitch or sense the smell, to sense the smell around. So why the rabbits keep wiggling their nose? Just from habits, or it is just their habit? Then she asks further, where does the wind goes away? We know, children, wind or air, just now we have learnt in EVS, air doesn't have any smell, color, taste. We can feel it, but we can't see it. So this little girl wants to know where does the wind goes away. And then in the last line she's saying, tell me everything I want to know. Or grown up people or the elder people, even they don't know the answers to all these questions.